Hey guys, this is Ryan Blair from Halo Inc. and today I'm going to be showing you how to take proof-approved screen print artwork and how we move it through the process to get it separated and into production. So this is the same file that we used for the proofing tutorial, and as we did in the proofing tutorial, we have our graphics already sized up. So on this artboard we've got our full back, and on this artboard we have our left chest, and they are already to size. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go over to layers, and artboard 2 is going to be the full back. And so what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and name it, and we're going to name it the order number, which is 8147, then the product. And so all 4 products get the same artwork, left chest and full back. So we're going to do product 01, 2, 3, 4, underscore, then we're going to put the placement, so we abbreviate the full back with the FB, and then it's going to be the width in inches. So we're going to do 10 space 5 IN, and we use a space so it doesn't throw off other programs. And then the customer, and I'm just going to copy and paste that from the order. We're going to go ahead and paste that right in there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this, paste it down to artboard 3, which is the left chest. Go ahead and rename that, and then it's 3.7 inches, 3.75 inches wide. So we'll do 3 space 75, and that is good to go. So now what I'm going to do is we're going to export for screens. So Control Alt E. And we're going to turn off all artboard 1 because we don't need that. We're also going to turn off the JPEG proof. And now we're just going to put it into the correct folder, which is 8147. And we're going to put it in the production folder and then hit export artboard. And that's it for the first step of steps.